Hey guys, Technomentary with the video for you guys. Today we're going to be unboxing the accessories that are included on the iPhone 12 Pro. So this video is just to show you guys what Apple is going to be including on the iPhone 12 Pro. And there's been a lot of rumors on what's going to be included and what's not going to be included. In this video, we're going to go ahead and show you guys. Also, if you guys are new to our channel, we do a lot of tech news reviews and giveaways. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. So let's go ahead and start taking a look at what's going to be in the new iPhone 12 Pro. As you can see here, I have the gold edition of the iPhone 12 Pro that we recently unboxed. And if you guys want a more detailed unboxing, make sure you guys check that video out in our channel. As you can see, this is the gold edition of the iPhone 12 Pro. Pretty much has this newer edge that's more more round and such, more of like an iPhone 5 feel, where the previous one is more round and this one definitely changed it. And as you can take a look over here, it does come with iOS 14. It's supposed to have one of the fastest chip on any smart devices right now with the A14 Bionic chip. You can review all of this in the other video, but for our video here today, we are just going to discuss about the accessories that are included here in the box. As you saw, the box is actually really slim, half the size of what the box was compared to the other generation of phones. So you'll notice when you unbox it is that you're getting two different things. Here you have a tiny instruction pamphlet. This used to be longer, if you guys remember, from the other generation of phones. And the only thing they're really including here along with that is just this one sticker. In the past, they would include two stickers. And then this little simple kind of warning slash, safety handling notice, and then the SIM ejector tray. So that's what's included. There used to be a lot more in terms of instruction manual in the previous generation of phones, so they really decided to slim down what they were including just for the instruction pamphlet. And then the other thing they're going to include is this new charging cable, which is the USB-C, only the cable. As you can see, there is no actual block or the power adapter for the wall, which is pretty much disappointing, considering that you can't really use this unless you have one of their newer MacBooks. And the other thing you might think is that you can go ahead and use maybe the existing block if you have the iPhone 11 and up, where they included the power adapter. This is the one that we're talking about, the 18-watt power adapter. As you see here, we're going to go ahead and do a little unboxing. So this one cost around $29.99 at the Apple Store. And it's surprising that Apple didn't include that. Their reasoning for not including the power adapter was that they wanted to be environmental friendly. But if you're upgrading from iPhone, let's say 10 or below, you don't really have this. And that really sucks because you're gonna have to go out and buy it. Considering this is the base model is almost $1,000. It's surprising that they did not include that at all. A lot of critics have been kind of criticizing Apple on this aspect, is that they didn't include this. So you see here with this, you need this USB-C type of cable. Here it plugs in and then you're able to use it. So you'll need to separately purchase that if you don't existently have one, which if you're upgrading from older generation of phone, you're not going to have this one. So you're going to have to go to Apple Store or order it when you're purchasing the phone. And you might think that you can get away with the other this block, the 5-watt one that were included in the previous generation. This won't be compatible. As you can see here, they don't have the USB sort of adapter, so this really won't work. So you won't be able to do that. Even if you had the 10-watt one, which also is the same thing, it's a USB type, won't work either. So those are useless pretty much. So you're gonna have to purchase this if you don't already have that. And it's surprising that Apple didn't include some sort of credit or so with this $1,000 phone, the base model, the iPhone 12 Pro. A lot of critics have been saying, if you wanted to be environment friendly, you could have, but at least give the credit back or lower the price of it. So there were a couple of options that Apple could have done, but they completely decided to get away from or including this, which a lot of critics are calling it a BS from their standpoint. They're looking to probably save money because the iPhone 12 Pro does have 5G, which costs a little bit more for them for their production of the materials itself. So those are kind of some of the rumors that are going around for why Apple didn't include that. And then the other thing that you guys didn't notice that they didn't include was the headphones at all. So they didn't include, as you can see here, the headphones are not included here. The iPhone 12 Pro does require you to have the ones that have that cable connection here. So those are going to be, you know, if you had the headphones from iPhone 7 and up, you'll still be able to use it. So the other thing is that along with the headphones is that there's no adapter dongle anymore included, like they have included with the previous generation and the older generation when they switched over from the 3mm jack to the USB jack. So as you can see here, you would be able to use your previous headphones if you had old one of them and then be able to connect it to listen to music. But this dongle, which costs around $9, adapter, you would have to buy separate if you had an older generation of headphones. But if you had the newer generation of phones, you can still use the same headphones. But it's disappointing that they didn't include that again. So another thing that they removed out of their packaging. So those are the two major things that they removed. Is well, three major things, right? You don't have your wall adapter here. You don't have your adapter for your headphones and the actual headphones, the newer updated headphones. So your Apple is really slimming down what they're including. And the other thing here I have is the AirPods. As you can see, it would be nice if they give credit at least towards the AirPod or something, because we're really trying to push these, but these are not included. So if you guys are expecting sort of AirPods or something, they are not including this. Although recently we did see Apple kind of give free AirPods, the second generation ones, with the purchase of new MacBook, which would be nice if they did the same thing for the iPhone 12 Pro, because you're spending almost $1,000 and the laptops are around $1,200-$1,300. So, you know, Apple really could have done that because of the previous promo that they have done. But, you know, with Apple, they really are trying to reduce the cost of their production. Well, reduce the amount that they're kind of giving to customer for $1,000 phone. So, you know, a lot of good stuff is going on there. You know, I know, as you know, Samsung criticized about this, but they're also kind of going in the same direction of removing the wall adapter. Not sure why this piece, you know, saves so much in the environment, but that's what's being happening right now. So as you can see with your iPhone 12 Pro, recap, you're just going to get this simple instructor pamphlet with the SIM ejector tool to remove the SIM card, and then just the cable itself, the USB-C cable. And you're going to need to get one of these power adapter, the 18-watt USB power adapter. Although though, the other thing that you can do is that you can actually utilize the older cables here. Like if you had the actual cable here with the old adapter piece, you can plug it, you can actually utilize this. So you're actually seeing this, it does actually charge the iPhone 12 Pro. So if you had the older cable, it will charge for you. The thing about the older one is that because these are only 5 watt and these are 10 watt, it takes a really long time to charge it. And the only way to charge it in an optimal speed is to get the power adapter that's meant for it, which is the 18-watt one, because these are only 5, 10, and then you jump up to 18 and using the new cable. And this is probably not the best way to charge it. So you just because you're spending so much money, you might as well go ahead and purchase this. If you haven't done it, you might be able to find it cheaper in some places, but this is $29.99 out there. And the headphones itself, I believe they're going for $19.99 or $29.99. So along with this, there's a couple purchases that do have to come with it. But hopefully this video is informational for you guys looking to know what's going to be included on the new iPhone 12 Pro. If you guys thought this video was helpful, please make sure to hit that like button, of course subscribe button. Also, if you guys have any comments about the content or accessories that's going to be included with the iPhone 12 Pro. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.